everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and I have just made a new batch of cold brew iced coffee with my KitchenAid cold brew maker. What a treat to have my favorite flavor of cold brew iced coffee on tap in my own refrigerator. It fits easily on the shelf in my fridge, and it has a great spout that you just turn to release the cold brew. It's so nice and convenient. The instructions are very clear, so it's easy to use. And it comes with a permanent filter, so you just wash that out and you don't have to purchase any filters to add to it. It's a beautiful brushed stainless steel, so it looks nice with all of my other appliances. And it's a very substantial unit, exactly what you would expect from KitchenAid. It's high quality and it's easy to clean out and use over and over again. I thoroughly enjoy having cold brew iced coffee at my home. I don't have to go anywhere for it, and I truly find it easy and convenient to use the KitchenAid cold brew maker. And that's my point of view.